I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the actual Play balance, open the Play Store and tap your profile. Once there, check payments and subscriptions so you know the exact amount you have from Google Rewards. Make sure your device region and Google account country match the balance country, because otherwise funds won't apply. If needed, switch to the account that received rewards. This first step prevents later rejects and saves time by aligning currency, account, and regional settings before you buy. Next, pick an eligible item. Apps, paid games, or in-app purchases usually accept Play balance. You should not select subscriptions or content restricted by age or region because Play balance may be blocked for those purchases. Once done, begin the checkout with the same Google account that holds the rewards funds. During payment selection, choose Play balance. If other payment methods appear first, explicitly change to Play balance. This ensures the system debits your rewards money rather than a card. Finally, confirm the purchase and verify the Play balance decreases. You'll get a receipt email. Keep it for records. If Play balance is not selectable, clear Play Store cache, sign out and back into the account, then restart the purchase flow because cached settings or account mismatch often block use. If errors persist or you see an unexpected card charge, contact Google Play support and provide the receipt. In most cases, they can trace and refund any misapplied payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.